What up, YouTube? Young J here. Having a problem with my fucking sidekick. Got the LX09. Problem I'm having is got a broken USB port, and I don't even know if this motherfucker works. So I need help figuring out if this shit works. I don't think it been water damage or nothing. This battery garbage. See, they say when that shit turn red, then that shit is water damage. But I don't know. I just spent $20 on a new motherfucking charger. Bought a new battery for $20. Got the universal charger for $10. Cause I can't charge my shit through the charger port. It's some shit where you connect these pins. Connect those two pins. I don't know if you can see. Connect those two pins to that gold shit there. But when I even know how much I charge this shit does not turn on. Shit is not turning on, man. $30 down the fucking drain. Some bullshit. Y'all got any ideas how to fix this shit, man? And don't tell me to fucking hold that W or all shit. That shit don't work. Cause my green light don't even come on when I fucking put the battery in. So I need to know how to fix this shit. So comment, make a video, sponsor something, do whatever, man. Need this help. And that song playing in the background, 6 foot, 7 foot, Lil Wayne, Kobe Guns, some new shit. Alright.